Hi, welcome back to the workshop. Today we are going to unbox something I've been saving for a long time. When I started my experience in RC back in the 90s, 96 I think, where I went through all the stages, right? I started with nitro planes, trainer. I went to high wing, middle wing, low wing, and then I was going into jets. And before the EDF, before the rocket fan, there was an economic crisis in my country. Couldn't continue with the development. But after a while, I started doing this the EDF planes. So I mastered this, let's say, EDF unit very easy. I left all the nitro behind. But now I'm going back to the fuel. This time I'm going to upgrade my EDF to turbines. I decided after so many years to go for a turbine. Now we are going to discuss what is inside the box that I received from Kingtech. So I bought this Kingtech K45 turbine. This is a kerosene turbine, dedicated kerosene turbine. It's not multi-fuel like the previous versions. This one is only kerosene. Some previous versions can also use diesel, but this one is only kerosene or JP. Jet propulsion fuel. Okay, this is a turbine. Look at this, it's really nice. Very small, more or less the size of a soft drink or beer can. Really nice. The finishing is really good. It's a made in Taiwan turbine. This brand has become quite strong in the last years. This turbine comes with a auto start, FOD included, and this version comes with the ECU inside. The computer system is inside the turbine and is going to measure RPM, temperature, radio input, even sensors from speed tubes and so on. Everything is included. Before it used to be outside, but now it's included here. What else in the box? We have the interface. This is the interface between turbine, radio, batteries, sensors, everything. This is going to be the where everything is coming, right? This is also the data. The data from the turbine is going to be coming from this unit, right? The turbine also will record the running time, so it's important to keep an eye this one, because this turbine needs servicing after 25 hours of service, right? So it means 25 hours is around 120 flights and plus minus some testing, so it's quite a long time. Okay, also we have all the hardware required. This turbine is complete with many things, so we have all this included hardware. We have the wiring to connect to the ECU with the turbine, with the GRU and everything. Then we have two sizes of fuel line. One skinny, the one is wider. We have a fast connector, filter, spare O-rings, and a valve. This one is a valve to open and close the fuel. What else we have here? Oh, we have a very nice electrical pump, fuel pump. Right. This is a fuel pump that will deliver the fuel from the UAT, the air trap tank, to the turbine. The air trap is very important to avoid the turbine to shut down in flat. Right? So we don't want to have any air bubble inside the turbine that is going to cause a flame out, and that it could be very, very, very bad. Okay, what else we have? We have it's called the graphical unit. This is the graphical interface, GSU. So here we are going to have all the parameters visually. So we are going to be able to read the parameters, program some of them, and be able to see the condition of the turbine. The turbine has a safety feature that prevents start-up if all the conditions are not met. For instance, if the solenoid valve is not working properly, or there are some vibrations, or the temperature is not right, the turbine is not going to start. And you will receive a message in that GSU. Okay, this is what we got in the box. The manual is very complete. I need to read all. I've been reading a little bit only, but you need to read everything. This turbine has 4.5 kg of thrust. So any plane 3 kg and from 3 kg up to 6 kg is going to fly okay with this turbine. Right? It's better if you have a 1-to-1 thrust to weight ratio, like of course I would say a 4.5 or 5 kg plane is going to work really good with this turbine. My plan is to convert my FMS Sukhoi 30. Why? Because last month I was flying the Sukhoi after 80 flights, and suddenly the power was gone. It's an EDF plane, twin 70 mm EDF, and just the power stopped. I just managed to open retracts and try to land. It was actually a rough landing. I broke several parts of the landing gear and the nose, but at least the plane was safe. Probably I don't have any explanation of that, because both ESCs were fried, but they don't even have a smell. So I probably think that it's the caps that come with the ESC, they were somehow burnt, right? But the interesting is that there is no smell in it. But anyway, I was about to replace all the electronics for that plane, and then say, okay, why don't we go for finally for a turbine? So I'm going to install this turbine in that plane, and I will show all the process. I have the help of a couple of friends with experience in turbines, and okay, please stay tuned, because I will be posting this progress in my channel. Okay, thank you guys. Please subscribe to support my channel. See you soon during the conversion of the Sukhoi 32 turbine, and during the maiden flight. Thank you very much. Stay safe, and see you soon.